It's time for another shout out and mail call, and this time we have 16 packages. Hey everybody, it's Rob with RobFindsTreasure. I'm still playing catch up. We did our envelopes recently. We've got packages this time, and I'm hoping to do the boxes in a day or so. That being said, with 16 packages, we've got to get to cracking them open. You guys know the drill. Anyone who sends me a package that I have their YouTube channel information for, I always post it down below in the video description. Please check out your fellow coin community's channels. Maybe give them a subscription, watch a video or two, leave a thumbs up. That would be kind of you. Either way, let's crack open these packages and see what goodies are inside. I will be starting off the first package with one that was already torn. I don't know if stuff is missing, but I wanted to point that out first. Let me get inside there, see who it's from, and then we'll see if the note indicates we had more than what's in here. So my first package came from Will. Will has a couple things in here. He has been collecting coins for a long time, and he had a couple of bills and older foreign coins that he doesn't really collect, and he wanted to send them to me as a gift and appreciation for my videos. And Will, that is very kind to you. I definitely like foreign coins and foreign currency, so I'm very happy to have gotten these bills and coins from you. Will does have a question for me. He's asking me what kind of software do I use to edit my videos because he's thinking about starting his own educational channel. And Will, it's pretty simple. I've lived solely for the last 2 years on an iPhone with iMovie app as my main editing software. Last thing Will wanted to ask me was what are my thoughts on his Air 1909 SVDB. And guys, look at this. This is a 1909 SVDB and look how off center it is. Will, I don't know if this is graded by the pictures. Judging by the picture, it looks like it's not in a grading or graded services capsule. If it was me, there is no doubt in my mind I would have this authenticated as a legit mid-air. That's pretty off-center. It looks like it's about 25% off-center. I would definitely get that graded, authenticated, and slabbed. No questions asked. That is awesome, in my opinion. As a matter of fact, I don't even know if there exists a 1909 SVDB that off-centered. Maybe there does. Maybe in the comments down below you guys can let me know. But I definitely would get that authenticated and graded, slabbed, no questions asked. Even if it's only a very fine, with that off-centering, come on. Will, I don't know if anything was missing from your package. It was torn when I received it. But what I did get, I'm very, very happy with. And thank you, sir, for sending me these goodies and allowing me to take a look at a 1909 SVDB possible mint air. My next package comes from my friend, William Baker, also known as Bill. He said, Rob, thank you for your kindness. The baggie of foreign is for you. The baggie of tokens are for Living Room Panner. Very kind of you, William Baker, for sending Living Room Panner a bag of tokens. I'm sure he'll love to add those to his collection. And a bag of foreigns, which I get to add to my collection. Beauties as well. Love them. Thanks again, William Baker. Hopefully you got my package. Hopefully you had fun opening it. Let me know if you did. My next package came all the way from China, and check it out. We've got an Apollo moon landing coin. 1969 to 2019 with the footprint on the back, and it even says 50 years moon landing. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Now, obviously, this is not a authenticated coin. It's just a moon landing token, if you will. But I love the design of it. Beautiful. I don't know who it's from. It's from China. I believe I remember this individual used to send me stuff on my mail call about a year ago. But I don't know if it's them, so I don't want to say their name. But in the comments down below, if you could let me know or identify yourself, thank you so much. I love it, and I'll be adding it to my collection. My next package comes from Lakehousebeach. He says, hey brother, here's a gift for you. This is the first piece of copper I ever poured, and it's not from scrap, but 3 9s fine rounds I melted down. I hope you like it, brother. I know how much you like your copper. Thanks for all you do. Your little brother, Lakehousebeach. Take a look at this awesome stamping. I love the texturing on it. Lakehousebeach on the front. 1.6 OZT. And letter P comes with a COA from Lakehousebeach and a channel magnet, which he has signed. Unbelievable. Lakehousebeach, brother. Man, I've been watching your channel lately. You do such a great job on your pours. I'm privileged to have you send me one for my collection. My next package comes from Half Dollar Productions. Now, Half Dollar Productions sent me a whole bunch of stuff. One of the things was labeled for a giveaway, an EOS giveaway, but all the contents were spilled out of the envelopes, so I don't know what item he wanted to give away. That being said, Half Dollar Productions also is just looking to see if I could trade him for a Ben Franklin half dollar for all this stuff. I am currently out of stock on Ben Franklin half dollars. If you watched my Friday live stream, we ran out. That being said, I normally don't do trade requests without a written email, but Half Dollar Productions, you did send a lot of things and paid a lot in shipping to send it to me. So when I do get a Ben Franklin half dollar, I'll send you one. But in a nutshell, he gave me a couple of signed Brazilian notes. Now, I don't know if they're signed by the people that are on them. I would doubt that they are, but then again, I'm not familiar with these signatures, but very cool, as well as several different foreign coins. We've got a 1905 V nickel, a 56 Jefferson nickel, some Canadian coins, a whole bunch of wheat pennies. We've got a couple of dateless Buffalo nickels and a couple of 68 half dollars. I'm going to imagine that you wanted me to give this one away, so I'll add that to the end of stream. Compliments of Half Dollar Productions. And when I do get a Ben Franklin half dollar, brother, I'll be glad to send it to you. But as a reminder, any trade request must always go through my email first so that we can agree on it. So that way we're both understanding what we're trading. Either way, I'll add a lot of these to my collection. Thank you, Half Dollar Productions. And I'll send you the Benjamin when I get it, and I'll add that to the EOS. My next package comes from my friend Samuel Phillips. Now, one of the things he wanted me to point out was that if you check out on his channel, he's got some music content on there. There are a few videos back, so if you check out his channel, check out his music stuff. He also wanted to let me know that since I found a 1919 Philadelphia minted Walking Liberty half dollar in one of my boxes during one of his hunts, and I said I didn't have it, but I gave it to him anyway because it was his. He did what I didn't want him to do. He sent it back to me so I could put it in my album. Brother, I appreciate it, but you did not need to do that. But now that I have it back, I guess we'll add it to the collection. On top of that, he sent a 1964 Canadian silver quarter. Said if I don't have it, I can keep it. I don't have a 64 Canadian quarter. So I'll be adding both those to the collection. He also wanted to let me know that his uncle used to work for the embassy in Moscow and brought home a lot of Russian bills and coins. So he's added his duplicates for my collection as well. Thank you so much, Samuel Phillips. I don't have much Russian currency, so I'm happy to add it. On top of that, he said that his sister visited Greece in '09 and gave him some Greek coins. So, once again, he sent me those extras. They're taped up pretty good, so I can't get them out here at the moment. But Sam, man, thank you so much for the Walker and the Canadian, the Russian and the Greek coins. I am very blessed to have someone like you following my channel and being so kind and generous. And I love your handwritten RobFindsTreasure, brother. Looks great. My next package comes from the Wisconsin's CRHunter. You gotta love the name. Guys, check out his channel, it'll be down below. He's got a newer channel. He just got back into the game, hoping to grow some subs. I think we can help him out. He sent for a giveaway a 2019 W AMP quarter. Unbelievable. Another item to give away. And he also sent for me, for my collection, a beautifully toned, in really great shape, 1943 Philadelphia minted steel cent. Wow. Love it. Definitely will upgrade in my album. Thank you very much, Wisconsin's CRHunter, and good luck on your new channel. Next up, I actually had 3 packages over a few weeks from Twolf Coin Hunter, and I'm finally getting around to them, brother. I appreciate you sending me all these register finds and miscellaneous finds. It's very cool of you. He gave me a stack of Canadian cents, a stack of other Canadian currency. Let's take a look at this one right here. 1984 nickel. Can't get mad at that. We got some Canadian quarters, Canadian dimes. We've even got a Canadian dollar. 2013. We also had a pretty trashy 2015 quarter. for the US. Wow, it's been through the ringers. And then as he knows, I enjoy my '09 quarters, so he sent me some better ones and some beat up ones, as well as even a couple of other foreign coins. Looks like we've got a Panamanian 2008 coin here. Love it. As well as a 25-cent Bahamian coin as well. Love it. Twolf, thank you for the goodies, brother. We'll put them with my foreign coin collection and check any of those Canadians against my albums. My next package comes from Mikan. Mikan has had a lot of fun in the past few months, but has to go away for a while. Hopefully, Mikan can be back before the new year. Thanks, Mr. Rob and Miss Charlani. Mikan. Once upon a time, Mikan had some real sad monies, so Mikan sent them to Mr. Rob to cheer them up. Those monies look pretty sad to me. Buffalo nickel chewed up. Don't think we'd be able to get a date off that. It looks like it had a mint mark. It could be an S, could be a D. I think it's an S. So we've got an S minted buffalo nickel. Completely trash. Sidewalk coin, if you will. I'll see if I get a date on that in a different video. Look at this 1960 something penny destroyed. We don't even know. This was hammered out flat. This was pressed out flat. And even a 1908 Indian head cent. No mint mark, but beat up. I will make them feel welcome in the land of misfits we have here in the collection. Thank you very much, Mikan. And I'm looking forward to when you return. My next package comes from one of my moderators and friends, Jan Luit. Sent me a couple of nickels here, a 1965, which looks like it could be a proof, as well as a 1947 nickel, and even a 1930 and a 1933 nickel, which I'll check against my album to see which ones I need. Thank you very much, Jan. Now, Jan wrote a nice note in here, says that with the Breast Cancer Awareness Month over and after a great stream, it is now time to remember. So I gathered up some of Canadians' remembrance quarters. You do not have to give them away as something special. Just add them to donations or other giveaways. Save some for yourself, too. I also added a couple of breast cancer ribbon coins and the nickels that I've already pointed out. So we've got some breast cancer awareness coins right here. Thank you, Jan. We've got the breast cancer ribbons. We've got some remembrance quarters. Beautiful. First design. Stunning. 2005. Look at that. Love it. Also have this one right here. 1945 to 2010. Look at the soldier on there. Unbelievable. And then the final design is right here. 1918 to 2008. Armistice. Remember souvenir. Beautiful. Jan, sorry I took so long to open this package. As you guys know, I'm cutting back on the mail calls. Jan, thank you very much for the remembrance tokens or quarters. I'll be adding these to some future streams without a doubt. Thank you for the nickels that you sent from my collection. And of course, thank you for being one of my moderators. My next package comes from Gary Patton. He says, hello from a cold Minnesota. He recently found my channel and he's been hunting nickels and pennies, which he's got some pretty good finds. He's decided to go and send me all of his Canadian coins that he's found in his penny hunts and his nickel hunts because he knows I enjoy them for my collection. He also wanted to let me know that he has done metal detecting for a lot of years, but just recently started doing corner hunting and loves it. Wants me to go ahead and add these coins and see if I can send him a channel sticker. Gary, I can definitely send you a channel sticker, brother. Thank you very much for the coins, and thank you very much for the kind words. My next package comes from MyCoinCave. It's a new channel on YouTube, guys. You got to check him out for sure. He's currently at 28 subscribers as of 11/11, and I know it's been 12 days since then. But they have some pretty excellent content, and they want everyone to take a look at them. Check out their channel, MyCoinCave. MyCoinCave, thank you for not only being a subscriber, but also a member. Also, thank you for your service in our United States Navy. He's included for my subscribers and members. 6 1-ounce 3/9 fine copper rounds to give away during my streams. They're all beautiful, brother. Looking forward to adding them to the next couple of streams next week as likes giveaways for Wednesday and Friday. He also says, for me, he's including one 2010 S Great Law of Peace Sacagawea dollar proof, and he needs to help identify a couple of pennies, which we'll get to. Here's the 2010 proof Sacagawea dollar. Beautiful. Add that one to the collection for sure. And then identify a couple of pennies here. Now, I've already weighed this one. It is heavier, almost 3.2 grams. And this is pretty common. It looks like it's been zinc plated, this 1964 copper cent. They replated a lot of the steel cents to make them look good. So this has probably been replated the same method. Now, it could be zinc. It could be mercury. It could even be silver. Highly unlikely it's silver. Highly unlikely it's mercury. It's probably zinc, since they used this exact method to make the steel cents look better. On the second coin, at first glance, I thought maybe it is missing its copper layer. But when I put it under the scope, I noticed that we had the copper layer on there and a significant amount of bubbling. Now, a lot of the zinc cents did have that anyway, but based on what I see on the rim, which is a thin copper layer, and the fact that there's almost no copper layer within the obverse reverse fields whatsoever, it's in my opinion that this has most likely been altered chemically, or after the minting process, someone tried to remove a lot of the copper layer that would be on here. Now, I'm not an expert on missing clad layers, so if somebody in the comment section believes that this could be a missing clad layer 1993D zinc Lincoln cent, let me know. Either way, I will definitely want to send this one back to you along with this really cool plated 1964 copper cent, and I'll definitely do that, brother. No questions asked. That being said, thank you for the giveaway goodies, the proof dollar for my collection, the kind words, and brother, hopefully we can get you to 100 subscribers here shortly if you're not already there. My last package comes from Derrick Angler, who actually has a channel named Derrick's Coins and an Instagram, The Daily Coin. And you can see it, the_daily_coin. Check out his channel when you get a chance. He's basically congratulating me on 50K subs. Thank you very much, Derrick. He's enclosed 2 BU original penny rolls, a 63D and a 64D. Come on. Can't get mad at that. I will definitely have fun going through these. He says, if you find any varieties, feel free to keep them. And for those that don't know, the 63D pennies have a nice doubled die obverse. You'll actually see a second 3 in the date, 1963. And the 1964D has a beautiful doubled die reverse, strong doubling on United States of America on the reverse of those coins. So I'll definitely be hunting through these and taking a look and seeing if we can find any goodies. He says, my channel's the reason he got started coin roll hunting, and because of that, he has found 100 Born in the Pacific W quarters and 22 River of No Return W quarters. Unbelievable. Rob, your channel is the best coin roll hunting content on YouTube. Well, thank you, Derrick. Keep up the good work. Road to 100K subs. And there again is his channel information. Derrick, thank you for the rolls. I am seriously looking forward to hunting these after this video. Well, there you have it, everyone. Another shout out mail call episode done. All my packages have been opened. All I have left is some boxes. And of course, daily we're getting more packages as we film. I want to thank everyone once again who was generous enough to donate not only stuff for my personal collection, but stuff to other coin community members like Living Room Panner, as well as those who submitted items to be used in my giveaways. On top of that, holy cow, that is awesome. Thank you all once again. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode of the Shout Out and Mail Call series. If you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting. And thanks for watching.